So dudes, welcome back to the channel. Touching down from Chiang Mai city. We are going to see a house in the Pa-Daet area of the city. So along the river, we've looked at a few there before. It's a flood prone area, but I've had the chance to go and have a look. It's cheap as well. And I've seen some pictures and I thought, why the hell not? Let's go down there. I'm not really looking for me. I'm staying where I am until at least later in the year, but yeah, it's always worth going to have a look in it. So let's get over there and check this gaff out. Right, okay, so we found it. Took a little while to find it, but here we are, down this little roadlet. Got some houses here, and they're made out of shipping. I think they're half shipping container. So this is it. You've got somebody next door, which I don't like already. Okay. So she said she's still cleaning. I got here a little bit early. Hey, kitchen area. So it is very small. Get your bed. It's cozy though. Shipping container. Yeah, it is, man. Is that gonna make it cooler or what? It's gonna make it hotter, right? It's a shipping container. Kitchen area, get your fridge. We'll look out the back in a minute. Like an old style bed with a Thai mattress, but you could sort that out, couldn't you? Give it a go. Oh yeah, that is an hard one, mate. Air comes on. Bathroom. So the lady's cleaning here. I said I'll be here at past. It's only 10 past. Hey, hi. Yeah, shower curtain. Nice size. I thought it was a little bit bigger, the house on the pictures. It's a tiny, basically, it's a room, innit? Made out of half, well, shipping containers, and they've done a bit of work to it. You got your desk here, look. I don't like how close it is to that one. Let's have a look out the back, shall we? I'll let the lady finish a minute. We'll look out the front while we're just waiting for the lady. So you never know who's next door, do ya? You got houses over here, look. I'll show you a bit further out in a minute when we go. I thought it was this one here. I would have liked this one. This house here. I thought it was empty, but then I seen a motorbike in there. And quiet. Yeah, we'll have a look out there in a minute. One big shipping container made into two rooms. I can look out the back. I can look.
Yeah, it's,
oh, thank you.
It's a little bit. It's wet.
I'm
so
okay.
sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, no problem. I just have a look. Yeah, and there's the shipping container door.
All of you, because I have four house.
Ah, you have 4 house. You have any more here? Any more?
Yes.
You have different
all
one?
of it is 4 room.
You have one over this side?
That side is I saw it already. Concrete.
Right, that next door concrete.
The next door is I mean that I'm so sorry.
I see half.
Half, yes.
Half container, half
Yes,
concrete.
yes.
I see the wall. The wall is concrete.
Yes.
So it's a
What?
yeah block
It's a little bit
block wall.
yeah.
Like made it bigger. The shipping container finish here.
Yes, because
And
this one is only for 2.4. And I want a big.
I see. Yeah. This area is quiet. Not too much noise.
Actually, in front of is what should we call they fix car.
Okay,
in
so
front.
sometimes a little bit noise.
A little bit.
Have market here, shops,
No,
restaurants.
it's quite far from here, about 1 kilometer. They have
Yeah.
7-Eleven.
Yeah, I know. Pa-Daet. This Pa-Daet too, right?
This one around
This still Pa-Daet. Pa-Daet?
Pa-Daet,
Yes,
right,
yeah.
right.
And what about Nam flood here?
Actually, yes.
Yeah, it
we
does.
have.
Oh,
But last year,
not too bad.
because the Chiang Mai
Yeah.
University, they what should we call it?
Yeah, they changed the river.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
after that it's
Okay.
you see
Half.
container is here
The
and container is here, and between of you is concrete.
Put like a microwave. This is a hob here. Hob.
Yes.
Ah, that's got a cooker.
Food and half.
Yeah, God. Yeah, didn't see that.
Because I have.
Oh, she's got both doors on. Yeah, these are the end like.
They have. I have a roof and the.
I see. So it's,
If the container is contact is.
yeah,
little bit.
right. So it's
It will be air trap.
yeah. You've made a cool air channel in the top. Yeah, can hook up the washing machine. Got the aircon here too. Hey, it's a different design though. Like it. And you got some sun cover, and you could come out here
Yes,
and
because
eat your food.
This one is east. In the morning, if you.
Yeah. So this place is 4,000 a month. How much is the electric here?
Aircon, moon hot, and hot water.
Yeah. How much unit?
You mean
Government unit electric?
government, but if I have one government unit but share 2 rooms,
Right.
so I calculate
Wow.
in the
So half.
no, not half
Right.
from the metering.
Yeah.
For me, I have the meter in front of your house.
Right.
Like this, I will.
4.3, yes, government
but
rate.
All of it is, for example, it's
Yeah, but
about
what would it be on average for one unit?
about
Four something. Okay.
4.6.
Right, yeah, that's all I want to know. 4 up, maybe different some months.
Yeah.
And water, 100 a month.
It depends on what you.
Still with unit, Okay.
Yeah.
Have Wi-Fi here, I see.
This is the old one of the.
Right. Contract,
About 1 year.
1 year. Cannot do 6 months.
Actually, yes, but I need.
1 year would be better. Yeah. Yeah, container, 4,000 a month. Little bit small, basic, but what do you want for 90 odd quid a month? What I might do. So Lex said this is the happy house, condos or something. She said it's run by a Farang, and the lady would love it if I went over there because she's an estate agent. Yeah, so she said this is the only noise when he's open. So yeah, it's not open to daylight. When that's open, he's going to be revving a fair bit. So that could be a problem. Happy house. Shall we do it? We'll leave the bike over there. Let's see if we can see a room in Happy House. A lady and a Farang owner. Got your washing machines here. So we are in Pa-Daet. You remember we went to see the luxury hotel down on the river, the new one? That's like the area we're in. Where's the lady then? So I don't think the estate agent girl was here. Now we're here, we'll have a look. Damn, it's quiet out here. What are we? We are 5 minutes from Dubai Chicken, mate. 5 minutes on a motorbike. So you would need the motorbike. Hey, this is our estate agent shop, isn't it? I just walked right in the room. Hello. Awful. It's worth a little 3,500. We could come back again at the end of the month, but I ain't bothered about it. It's not like I'd want to live. I know what it'll be like in there. Very thin walls. Happy house. Or the shipping container. This is your road. Quiet. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's get on the bike, man, and get back out on the road there. yeah, it was worth a little look, right? I said, does it flood? She said, yes. But they fixed the river a bit, but still, don't know. I think that's why it would be a big chance living there. Maybe it doesn't flood every year, but this would be your small little local market as well. Little tiny place. You could come here, get your drink, get your food in the evenings. But yeah, it's not far at all, man. I might even go back into the city myself, thinking about it. I'm halfway back now. Anyway, I think I'm going to leave it there. It's only going to be a short one. 4,000 a month. Anybody's interested, let me know. We're going to be looking at a few more over the coming months, no doubt, like we always do. And yes, a beautiful day in Chiang Mai. Look at me, he's wagging over there, look. Got the brolly up and everything, boy. Hope you're all safe and sound as always. I'm getting off for a green tea, so take it easy, man. Take it easy.